are going to be learning the sound. Very good. Can you do the action with me? Perfect. Now let's write. Excellent. Can you say 5 times? Excellent. Now our first word is flower. 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 Let's sound it out. Flower. Great. Our next word is spider. 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 Let's sound it out. Spider. Next is paper. 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 Very good. Now our next word is tiger. 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 And our last word is ladder. 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 Let's sound it out. Ladder. Very good. Now, let's play. Can you remember our words? Let's take a look. What is this? Flower. Flower. Very good. What is this? Spider. Spider. What is this? Paper. Paper. What is this? Tiger. Tiger. And our last word. What is this? Ladder. Ladder. Very good. Now let's say our sound one more time. Perfect. Well done.